In today's video, I will walk you through how to design good-looking spreadsheets in Google Sheets. If you already have data in your spreadsheet, you can start improving the overall design with a few simple adjustments. Begin by selecting your header row. In most cases, this will be the first row of your sheet. Click and drag across the header cells to highlight them. Once the header row is selected, go to the toolbar and click the Fill Color button. It looks like a paint bucket. Choose a light pastel color for the headers. You can select a light yellow, pale blue, soft green, or another subtle shade you prefer. After applying the color, your column labels will stand out more clearly from the rest of the data. If you want a different look, try a few color options until you find one that fits your sheet. Next, select your entire data range, including the header row and all of the data beneath it. With the data selected, click the filter icon in the toolbar. The icon looks like a funnel. Once the filter is applied, drop-down arrows will appear in each header cell. These allow you to sort and organize the information in your spreadsheet directly from the column headers. At this point, your spreadsheet will have colored headers and active filters across the data range. These changes help create a cleaner layout and make the information easier to work with. You can continue adjusting the appearance of your spreadsheet by changing fonts, adding borders, or including other visual elements if desired. The exact design is up to you, so feel free to make adjustments that match the style you want. Those are the main steps. Select a header row, apply a fill color, select the full data range, and turn on filters using the funnel icon in the toolbar. And that's how to design good-looking spreadsheets in Google Sheets.